Hello everybody, welcome back to the Klaus Restoration Crafts and Reviews channel. But yes, it's going to be a review sometime. Is this a review?
Unboxing.
Oh, it's the unboxing. Review is next. This is an unboxing of a Stanley table saw. Don't know the numbers to it or anything, cause I don't need to know no numbers to it or anything. You want to know that stuff, you watch the damn video and learn it. You don't learn it from me. I don't use that shit. I'm just hired to talk about it. Keep everybody entertained. I'm the local entertainment on this show. I ain't no damn carpenter. I'm a bananaer. Man, I ain't no carpenter either. Somebody asked me what's the number on that saw. How the hell am I gonna know? I ain't gonna know none of that stuff. Man, it's a Stanley too. Man, you know that Stanley stuff's good. When you know you buy Stanley, you're buying something that's gonna last. And imagine them bastards didn't even give me no money to say that. I'm saying it on my own. It's a good product. What do they call that when yeah, it's a sponsor. Forgot what's it called. They didn't even sponsor the video and they're getting good mouthed. Watch me do my Stanley voice. Stanley. Good tools for good carpenters. That's how that sound. Man, why don't you shut the hell up? I had one little line at the beginning and I can't even get a damn word in edgewise over here with that damn long ass monkey yappios. So shut up. Got it? I'm getting ready to talk. Man, you messed yourself up, buddy. All that ranting and raving over there, that could have been your time to shine, buddy. Your time to shine. Man, you messed up your chance too, dumbass. Anyway, I don't know what the hell we're talking about anymore. That table saw, ain't it? Review? Is it a review? No, it's an unboxing. See, man, you're messing me up over here. Make me look like a jackass. Yeah, we're doing a table saw unboxing. Like I say, I don't know the numbers or nothing, but it's good. Stanley quality. It's yellow. Yeah, the color matters. You know, it's a Stanley. Some Stanley stuff went gray because it's sold out to, who they sell out to? Bosch or somebody? I don't give no two fucks who Stanley sold out to. As long as their tools are still good, that's all that matters. You think they'll change the way they make the Stanley tools now that they're sold out? Man, I hope they don't. I hope they keep the tools the same. Yeah, it's the guy in the video, yeah, I seen it. He got it's Stanley, but it's a gray jigsaw. Almost forgot what it was. A gray jigsaw, but it's still Stanley. And he asked somebody in hardware, and they said it's gray because Stanley sold out to Bosch or somebody. I don't know if that's true or not. I didn't look it up. Maybe the guy's wrong. Maybe the guy's right. Who cares? As long as it's a Stanley, as long as it works, who gives two shits about who sells out to who? Ain't none of our damn business. Man, can't you be nice? You always gotta have that bad attitude. Always gotta be talking like that. Can't you say sweet things like, I don't know who they sold out to. I actually do not mind. It does not bother me in any way. But you gotta say stuff like, man, I don't give no damn about who sold what to who. Man, you got a problem, man. You take a chill pill, brother. Go drink a glass of water. And I'm gonna come over there. Don't make no monkey mad. Don't make no monkey mad. Anybody know what the mad monkey does when he gets mad? Trust me, you don't want to know. You don't want to know. What? Yep, shove a banana up both the nostrils. That's what happened. Well, anyway, we're going to get on with this joke, and we hope you like it. And then we're going to go watch some porn. I mean TV. That's what I said. TV. And so here's the joke. What is the difference between hungry and horny? What is the difference between hungry and horny? Where you stick the cucumber. Woo, but we get some good jokes back in here now. Last two shows had good jokes in them. But we'll see you all next time. And I'm getting out of here. Crow's getting out of here. We're going to go back to our, what do you call it? Our campers with a star on it. Where we go when we ain't filming. Our trailers, I think is what they're called. We're going to go back to our trailers. Negotiate our contracts for more money. Because we're kicking ass on this damn channel. And we'll see you guys next time. I'm going to go eat me some raisins. Now, you know I ain't going to eat no damn raisin. I'm going to eat a fucking banana. You don't know what I am? I'm a monkey. Bye, people. Laugh, joke, have fun, enjoy life, stop that bitching, and have fun, baby. Goodbye. That's it. Goodbye, and like the monkey said, have fun, and we'll see you later.
I'm gonna open this shit!
Yeah.
Today, I had to yell before I came too far back, and I've got my M50 Mark II yet. Today I'm going to open a Stanley table saw, 10 inch. And here it is. This is an American saw. It's 10 inches. If it was an Asian saw, it'd be 2 or 3 inches. Another way to get it out is you cut the whole box open. Another way to get it out is you cut the whole box open. I don't need the whole box open. Now it's time to cut open the main box. Be very careful when using one of these. You can be very severely injured. And no one would want that to happen. And now we struggle to get this out. You know why I got this saw? You know why I got this saw? Because I have a really good Bosch saw. I have a really good Bosch saw, but the fence, the gliders in the fence broke. And there's no way to repair that. All I need is another fence or new gliders. And unfortunately, I can't get gliders here, so I ordered them, and then they got canceled because I had ordered them from America, and they didn't want to ship them here after they said they would. Here we go. I'm assuming these are the legs. A nice, pretty table saw. It won't be pretty much longer.
You want to climb? I like a good box. I want to climb.
Here's the fence. This here is what broke on my other table saw, these black things, and these will also eventually break. So instead of getting a new fence or a new glide, you have to get a new table saw every time, I guess. But my other table saw is, what, 4 years old? The age does not matter, it's still good. I'm going to see if this will fit on the other saw, this fence. Looks the same, almost. Now we're going to see what this saw looks like and what it comes with. So now we're going to see what this saw looks like and how it functions later on after I get it going. It's got wheels on it for some reason. What is? It's got wheels on it. You're going to extend this, which I'll show you all the features on it later. Cord. Rolls up in reverse.
Why that was slanting?
Here's it's got wheels on it. There's the blade. Don't look too bad. Blade don't look that bad. It's got a lot of teeth on it. It also has a place to store another blade as opposed to. These things may be different. Yeah, it does. It's got a place you can store another blade on the side. It's got a place to store an extra saw blade right here. There's a blade up and down. The Bosch, it goes up to the right and down to the left. This goes up to the left and down to the right. It's the opposite. The writhing knife, the fence. This here adjusts the fence. If the fence is too loose, you can turn this to the right. If the fence is too tight, you can turn it to the left.
We see where?
This here is an adjustment knob to the fence. A lot of people don't read their book and they don't know about this, and they're like, oh, my fence is wobbly. It's wobbly. It's because you don't know how to tighten this up. You don't read your damn instruction manual. And put it on here like this. See, it's already and tighten it up like that. See, it's loose in. See that? Because this needs to be tightened up. Turn it a little by little, and then put it down. See, it stops moving. A little bit more. And tighten your fence down. See, don't move no more.
Do it again.
A lot of people say there's slop in it. Let it up. Turn it. Just a little. Put it back down. And there's no slop no more. A lot of people say the fence has got slop in it. Learn to read. You know why? Learn to read. You find out why there's slop in it. And it also comes with 2 extra brushes for the motor.
Oh.
These brushes go in the motor. Your brush dies out, you replace it. Sometimes you get lucky and your brush will never die out. Next, I've also got this here. It hooks onto your, it hooks right here. That way when you run boards through, it'll raise up, and then when the board's through, it'll go back down. It's there to protect your hand. But when you watch my videos, you'll never see me using these. This one, it raises up individually. But you never see me using this because the type of cuts I make, it gets in my way. Bag full of nuts and bolts for the, you don't need nuts and bolts for this. This is put together. These are for the legs that this is going to be standing on. These here, to further my collection of Allen wrenches.
At least a bit.
These here, you want to engrave on these what these are for. You need these when you change this blade. And also a push stick. See how nice? See how it looks like a fish. See how nice and pretty it is? Won't be that way long. I'll end up hitting the blade with it the way I did my other one for my Bosch. One thing that I'm very glad about, I'm very happy about with this Stanley is they put a saw blade in it with a lot of teeth. Because I don't want those 40-tooth rip cut blades. Those things, I don't need that. I do rip cuts and things because I build furniture, but I have to have a blade with a lot of teeth on it. The arbor size on this one was smaller too than a standard one like that Bosch that I have. So I have to remember when you order these blades, remember the arbor size. If you already own the saw like the Bosch I have, the 10J, then this one, the arbor is a little bit smaller. And here it has, here's this. Put it in here. That way when you're sawing wood, you can run it through like this. On wood, you can use this thing and run it through.
Girls.
Now people are going to nitpick and say this thing's loose. Show me one that's not loose. They're all loose. I'm going to engrave all of this stuff like this later so I know what saw it goes to. Now these here are, all of these pieces are for the legs. We'll be putting these legs together here in a second. Two or one?
Two.
Voila! Okay, we got the legs put together. It'll take about 20 minutes. In a happy world, it took us about an hour and a half. And if you don't got one of these, then you're in trouble. And this saw package does not come with one of these.
I like they still put the nuts and bolts.
Took forever.
So ours?
Lining stuff up, taking stuff off, putting stuff on. Nothing's ever easy. Forget it. This seemingly innocent looking little stand is nothing but a monster in disguise. So be warned. You put that thing together, an engineer will have problems with that thing. Try to get these rubber feet on, you know they're going to fight back. And now we're going to lift it up on the stand.
Really? Glad you told me. I wouldn't have known it. That's not white
Now these bolts are probably designed to go through the top, but you'll find it a whole lot easier if you put the bolt on so it's sticking out the top. That way you can screw the hell out of that son of a bitch without a lot of problems. So here the saw is put together on the stand. You don't put together the saw, you put together the stand. Here it is. Tomorrow, it's already dark. Tomorrow I will do a good review on the saw. Not tonight because it's too dark already. I'll do it down there and I will saw something with it so you can see how it saws. So for me it'll be tomorrow, for you it will be in just a second. Like I said, tomorrow I will do an in-depth review. It'll be just a second for you. I said that. But I want to show you something else first. It is hooked up and ready to go. And to turn it on, it has a button right here. I'll show you that tomorrow. But I'm going to turn it on so you can see it and hear it. I'll show you the other in-depth stuff tomorrow or a couple seconds. See, it does not have a soft start. The Bosch one does. The Bosch, when you start it, it starts out at a lower RPM, then speeds up. This one, when you turn it on, it's bam, there it goes. But that don't really matter. The soft start is not that new, but saws don't need that. It's just something to help them out. Tomorrow, I'm going to take this off. So tomorrow, I'm going to take this piece here off and make sure everything's tightened up in here. It looks the way it's supposed to look. And I'm going to oil it a little bit in here, or grease it a little bit. So until tomorrow, a couple of seconds for you again. Then we'll get this finished. Man, you messed it up now.
Action.
I am actioning. What do you think I'm doing?
Go.
Jeez! Women! God! Crow.
Don't face it sideways too much.
What do you mean, crow? Damn!
Action.
Crow.
What is that?
Hungry and what's the difference about hungry and horny?
What is it? Go, action.
Crow.
What's the bitching for?
It's in there.
Action.